This time I want to write the rule that would result in or I want to write the translation rule that would result in sliding this figure to form the image that's shown. So it tells me that the image and the pre-image, it tells me what color they are, but suppose I didn't have, it didn't tell me. Suppose I didn't have colors to look at, or like on your notes they're black and white, so I don't know which one's which. Well, the other way that we can tell that the red one is the image, the final location, is I have those prime tick marks with it as A prime, B prime, C prime. So I know that's where I'm going to end up, meaning the one without the primes, the blue one in this case, is going to be the original one. Well, that matters because I want to know which way this figure is sliding. So let's, we don't need to try to match up all the points, just matching up one of the points should be enough. Let's just do A, for example. So I know that I want to start from A and end up at A prime, which means I've translated the figure in that direction left first, and then I also have translated this up. So I want to make sure that I know which way I'm moving, because if we had done this backwards, maybe I didn't recognize where the primes were. The arrows would be pointing the other way, and I may be thinking incorrectly, I want to shift this to the right. That's not the case. I definitely want to shift it to the left. So actually, let me go ahead and count these spaces. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces to the left. I'm going to just make a note of that down here. So I've moved to the left 4. And then also to end up where I want to end up at the prime location, I also have to move up 1. Well, that's a great rule. I mean, that is the rule. However, I want to express this mathematically. So left 4, up 1 will help me express the rule, but that's not going to be the rule itself. So if I want to move to the left, that's going to be our x direction. And since I'm moving backwards in the x direction, I want to make sure that my rule is x minus 4 in order to shift this backwards. The up part of this is going to be your y direction. And since I'm moving up and not down, I want to make sure I'm adding, so that should be the rule that I want to use to end up at the image shown, x minus 4 and y plus 1.